Hi students, in this video we will discuss some more problems related to differentiation. Now I'll read out the question. Differentiate y is equal to tan inverse of cosecant x plus cot x. You know that in this place we have to bring tan function so that it will be easy for us to solve the problem. Here we have cosecant x plus cot x. What we can do is this cosecant x can be converted as 1 divided by sin x, and this cot x can be converted as cos x divided by sin x. By doing the simplification further, we will get the answer. So you just look at the step. So I converted, as I said, cosecant x has been converted as 1 divided by sin x plus cot x as written as cos x divided by sin x. It is in the fraction addition. Here's denominator is same, so we can add the numerator simply. So we will get 1 plus cos x divided by sin x. We know one formula for 1 plus cos x as 2 cos square x by 2. We have seen many problems related to this, so I am directly telling 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2, where we will get x by 2. So similarly sin x also should be converted as x by 2, because in the numerator when we have half the angle, that is x by 2 means half of x. In the denominator also we should have half of the angle, then only we can convert this in terms of tan. So we have to use here sin 2a formula. In place of 2a we have x. So when we write it, we get y is equal to tan inverse of, in place of 1 plus cos x, we get 2 cos square x by 2. If you compare this with sin 2a, we will get 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. This 2 and this 2 can be cancelled. Cos x by 2 and the cos x by 2 in the numerator can be cancelled, so that we get cos x by 2 divided by sin x by 2. You know that this is equal to cot x by 2. We know that once we get cot x by 2, it is easy for us to convert in terms of tan. We can write this as tan pi by 2 minus x by 2. Now we have tan inverse of tan pi by 2 minus x by 2. We have achieved our objective. We know that this value will be y is equal to pi by 2 minus x by 2. Now we have rewritten the question. Now we can differentiate both sides with respect to x. So on differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of pi by 2 minus d by dx of x by 2. Derivative of constant is 0. Derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2. This minus sign will come as it is. So final answer is dy by dx is equal to minus half. I hope you understand this problem. Now we will move on to the next problem. The next problem is differentiate y is equal to tan inverse of root over of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. Here you know that we have to bring tan function, and moreover this square root should be removed. Inside the square root we have 1 plus x square. If we look for any formula which contains this 1 plus x square, means we have 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So in place of x we can substitute tan theta. If you look at this, as I said, x is equal to tan theta, from which theta can be written as tan inverse of x. So in place of x we have substituted tan square x in the question, so we get secant theta minus 1. Here we have secant, here we have tan. Whenever we have this combination, we have to convert them into sine function and cos function. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. This tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. So when we do the further simplification, here when we do the cross multiplication, we get 1 minus cos theta divided by cos theta whole divided by sin theta divided by cos theta. Cos theta will get cancelled. Finally we get 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. We have seen many formulas related to this 1 minus cos theta, many problems related to this formula. It can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2, half of the angle. So here also we must convert it into theta by 2. So we can apply sin 2 theta formula. So we get, as you know, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Here if we apply sin 2a formula, 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, this sin theta by 2 and sin theta by 2 will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled. Finally we will get tan theta by 2. You know that tan inverse of tan theta by 2 is theta by 2. In place of theta we can bring tan inverse of x. So we have rewritten the question as y is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x. So we can differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So we get half into tan inverse of derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. I hope you understand this problem. With this I am completing the video. The next video we will continue our discussion. Thank you students. Thanks for your cooperation.